अक्सर कहा गया है कि टीआरपी रियली मैटर्स। जी हाँ दोस्तों, एक नया शो, एक नए कंसेप्ट, एक नई स्टार कास्ट के साथ रिलीज तो हो जाता है, लेकिन सर्वाइवल के नाम पे वो सिर्फ तभी सर्वाइव कर पाता है जब टीआरपी रेटिंग्स आर एक्चुअली टॉप नॉच। अक्सर हमने देखा है कि कैसे मेकर्स टीआरपी रेटिंग्स को पाने के लिए, उनको वाकई में ग्रीन जोन में लाने के लिए शो की स्टोरी लाइन को, कास्ट को, प्लॉट को बदल देते हैं। It is often seen that when production company working for years in the same serial, star cast actually leave for some of the other multiple reasons. Well, ये एक कारण बन जाता है शो की टीआरपी गिर जाने का। While the makers continue with the show as it's profitable for them, actors often leave the show as they want to try something new or something different, or maybe their role is getting very stagnant. Almost every show has faced these problems of replacing the cast or finishing the story arc as actors don't want to continue with the serial. Since the TV series are fan favorites because of its star cast rather than the gripping storyline, it was noticed that there was a drastic fall in the show's TRP after the lead actors left the serials. तो आइए चलिए जानते हैं कि कौन से ऐसे टीवी शोज थे जिनमें से उनके लीड एक्टर्स ने कहा शो को अलविदा, और उसके साथ साथ गिर गई शो की टीआरपी रेटिंग्स भी। Beginning up, Rajiv Khandelwal. Well, it can be said that Rajiv Khandelwal is one of the most popular celebrities who have made a successful transition from the small screen to the big screen. He has impressed everyone with his acting chops and screen presence. For instance, his debut movie Amir was a huge hit in Bollywood. Rajiv Khandelwal rose to fame after playing the character of Sujal in the famous TV serial Kahi To Hoga. Later, Rajiv left the show as he thought that the story was getting stretched. In his own words, "I left Kahi To Hoga because according to me the story was over, and from there it would have been a useless stretch like any other daily soap. For all the world, I was getting love and affection, and Sujal had become a national phenomenon. So it was difficult for me to be there without enjoying it." As Rajiv Khandelwal said goodbye to the serial, the show's TRP also fell. Showrunners tried to survive it without the modification in the story arcs, but nothing at all worked. In the end, they had to actually say goodbye to the TV serial. Next on the list is our very own late Sushant Singh Rajput. Well, Sushant Singh Rajput was one of the brightest TV actors of the small screen. Sushant was one of those few actors जिन्होंने वो सपना देखा कि वो टीवी से पर्दे तक बहुत जल्द आएंगे, और उन्होंने उस सपने को जिया। सुशांत ने टेलीविजन स्क्रीन से अपने आप को 70mm स्क्रीन पे देखा, और सिर्फ देखा ही नहीं, अपने लिए एक बहुत ही अलग खूबसूरत जगह बना ली। और आज जब वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है, फैंस एंड ऑडियंस उनको उनके काम के लिए आज भी उतना ही प्यार और एक्सेप्टेंस दे रहे हैं। He has been a part of popular TV soap Pavitra Rishta for many years. The show became a fan favorite and everybody loved the chemistry between Manav, aka Sushant Singh Rajput, and Archana, aka Ankita Lokhande. However, Sushant decided to leave the show as he wanted to do something different in his life. Moreover, he gravitated towards mainstream Bollywood movies and wanted to be a part of it. He quit the show and the makers brought famous TV actor Hiten Tejwani to replace Manav in the serial. Makers reported that Sushant Singh Rajput left the show, and hence, that is where the TRP fell drastically. The next one being Shazan Khan. Well, Shazan Khan is quite iconically known for his role of Anurag Basu in Kasauti Zindagi Ki. Well, he's considered one of the most popular TV actors. Most of the serial content revolved around the love story of Anurag and Prerna being played by Shweta Tiwari. The show was getting everyone's attention when Shazan Khan decided not only to quit the show but also the whole entire TV industry. Well, जहाँ ये चीज एक तरफ से शॉकर की तरह आई ऑडियंस एंड फैंस के लिए, वही दूसरी ओर शज़ान खान के पास अपने रीजन थे ये डिसीजन लेने के। Shazan went back to Pakistan, due to which showrunners had to replace the actor with another promising actor. Within a week, the serial lost its charm, and the continuously getting low on TRP is the cause that the showrunners decided to say goodbye to the TV serial. According to the sources, the show ended within a year after Shazan Khan quit the show. Karan Singh Grover. Karan Singh Grover is quite the famous TV face and is also known for his Casanova image. He was considered as one of the most promising TV actors who made his debut with the serial Kitni Mast Hai Zindagi. KSG rose to fame after his hit serial Kabool Hai started in 2012. Fans loved the chemistry of the show actress Surbhi Jyoti and Karan Singh Grover. However, if the sources were to be believed, Karan Singh Grover को शो से जाने को कहा गया था because of his unprofessional behavior on the sets. Well, Ajay Balvankar, who is the content head of Z Entertainment Enterprise Limited, had revealed unprofessional behavior will always be accorded with strict disciplinary action. Actors should not take things lightly when they agree to be a part of a show, as their erratic behavior can affect the livelihoods of many others out there who are working and are putting a lot of hard work. No actor can hold shoots or dictate their terms and conditions to extent that it hampers the show. इसके बाद अनफॉर्चुनेटली करण सिंह ग्रोवर को शो से अलविदा कहने का डिसीजन बनाया गया, लेकिन शो के मेकर्स को ये तक नहीं पता था कि करण सिंह ग्रोवर को शो से निकाल देने से उनका ही नुकसान होने वाला है, बिकॉज करण सिंह ग्रोवर के एग्जिट से द शोज टीआरपी वेंट डाउन द ड्रेन। जी हाँ दोस्तों, करण एंड सुरभि ज्योति की ऑन स्क्रीन एंड ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री ही थी जिसने शो को काफी ज्यादा काबिले तारीफ कर दिया था, काफी ज्यादा सुर्खियों में रखा था। और अब ऐसी खबरें आती हैं कि कबूल है आने वाला है वापस 2.0 वर्जन के साथ, यानी कि डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे। आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा कि कौन सा ऐसा टीवी शो का लीड के बारे में हमने आपको शेयर किया जिनके बारे में शायद आपको नहीं पता था, और कौन सा ऐसा किरदार है जो आपका फेवरेट रहे हैं। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Talker for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Talker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.